½ cup ghee, 1 cup semolina. Cook on low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. ½ cup milk. Cook on medium flame until milk is dried. Two tablespoons Raisins. 2 tablespoons almond chopped. 1/2 teaspoon green cardamom powder. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. Mix well. Set aside. ½ cup water. 3/4 cup sugar. Cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes until sticky consistency forms. Add sugar syrup. Mix well. Rest for 10 minutes until semolina absorbs sugar syrup. Lukewarm mixture makes laddu.